The kind of pain we're feeling now is a bit unusual. It happens once every few years. But you guys have forgotten about it. That during the last bull market, it happened frequently too. The corrections. That's why it's incredibly painful. Bitcoin. I mean. So, everyone, the reason I've been feeling skeptical lately is that while the US and Korean markets are supposedly doing well, compared to the pain Bitcoin causes, the return from other assets is actually much better. Well, so I said. I couldn't answer. That's right. If only I could see that. If Bitcoin were to rise without much effort, I would do it with the mindset of saving. But how is this saving? Suddenly, half of one's assets disappear. But in the 3 months, how much are you going to invest, they say? So, I mentioned that yesterday as well. But President Eisenhower was the most ideal. Among US presidents, I think as far as I know, among the 20th century presidents, he was the most idealistic, to the point of being unrealistic. You could say that Eisenhower was the one who messed up Middle Eastern politics. He was also the first to mention the term military-industrial complex. And so, the US, because he had experience. War for sand. He strongly believed that politicians should not lightly make decisions about going to war. However, in international politics, beyond the war there are many things that don't make sense without them. That's why they have to show their power. And great powers need to do that. Eisenhower was naive. I thought that in military affairs, he would definitely take care of the things people overlook. But it was the exact opposite, where he shouldn't have stepped in ultimately. You can see Eisenhower as the one who started the Vietnam War. I talked to the president Eisenhower yesterday, so it's basically the same thing. I don't think that you all would be able to endure what I have experienced. So when that 27-year-old young man puts his entire fortune into something like that, I feel the same way as Eisenhower. That's how he is.